ये कब्र हज़रत दाऊद अलैहिस्सलाम की है, एक सिनागॉग के अंदर। इन्नका हमीदुम मजीद। अल्लाहुम्मा बारिक अला मुहम्मद व अला आलि मुहम्मद कमा बारकता अला इब्राहीम।
Anything to do with the Last Supper with Isa al-Salam?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Have anything like it? No? Let me tell you that you are wrong. We have a whole verse in the Quran. I think it's after the Baqarah comes which verse? The An-Nisa. After An-Nisa,
Imran,
Maida.
what is called?
Surah
What
Maida.
does mean Al-Ma'idah?
It's the treaty, the conditions.
And who asked Allah to bring Al-Ma'idah for his disciples?
Isa.
ईसा अलैहिस्सलाम।
إذ قال الحواري عيسى ابن مريم ادع لنا ربك ينزل علينا من السماء مائدة تكون عرسا لأولنا وآخرنا. And Hawarii said to Isa alayhi salam, ask Allah to bring down Al-Ma'idah from the sky to be a feast for the first and the last. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He answered, إِنِّي مُنزِلٌ عَلَيْكَ. فَالله subhanahu wa ta'ala. So, you are wrong. So we do have something in Islam that has to do with the Last Supper. Not specific the words, but we have Al-Ma'idah. This is where Isa had his supper or dinner or lunch or breakfast with his disciples. So Salah ad-Din said yes, this incident, it is mentioned, indirect or direct. So let us make it a mosque, and it was called the mosque of Isa alayhi salam, or the mosque of Al-Ma'idah, or the mosque of Nabi Dawood alayhi salam. In order to make a church or convert the church into a mosque, as Muslims, what do we need? What do we need? We need mihrab. This is the mihrab. Where's the sheikh standing? We need a minbar. We need a minaret. It's outside. And some verses. Honestly, because they can tell them to go to noise. Yes. And of course we need, this stained glass Islamic. There's a verse. Can you read the verse? That's too difficult for me. But this, وَحْكُمْ بَيْنَ النَّاسِ
بالحق
وَلَا تَتَّبِعْ الْهَوَى وَحْكُمْ بَيْنَ النَّاسِ بِالْحَقِّ وَلَا تَتَّبِعْ. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is talking to whom? Dawood. It's obvious because this masjid called Dawood. So Salah wahkum bayna an-nas bil haqqi. Well, because Dawood, what was his job? He was a judge, king, judge, qadi. Wahkum bayna an-nas was Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells him, wahkum bayna an-nas bil haqqi. Why is that? You know the story in the Quran. Two persons came to Dawood alayhi salam. One he has 99 sheep, and one he has 1 sheep. And this who has 99 sheep asked his friend, since you have 1 sheep, instead of going and bothering, so let me help you, so I can take the sheep, but I will so you can relax at home, because I have 99. So you can bring your sheep with my sheep, and they can go together, and you can take it, you can check it every day. But they went together to Nabi Dawood, and he said, this man asked for my sheep. So Nabi Dawood says, he is mistaken by asking your sheep. So Nabi Dawood didn't listen to the other opinion. He didn't listen to the man who has the 99 sheep. Only listened to the man with the 1 sheep, thinking that this man who has the 99 sheep is going to take it, but he was offering it just to help him. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, وَحْكُمْ بَيْنَ النَّاسِ بِالْحَقِّ وَلَا تَتَّبِعْ. So don't listen to you have to listen to the people. You only listen to the one, but like the one was the 99 sheep, he has the right because he wasn't. Okay? It's with the slope, it's called mezuzah. Inside there's a prayer, it's called Shema Israel. Listen Israel. Listen, Israel is, the Mufti yesterday, he told you that Yaqub, he has a different name, another name is called Israel. So the mezuzah, when Musa alayhi salam left Egypt, he asked the Israelite to put a blood sign on the door, because in the morning the angels will come and kill the Egyptian boys. So Musa alayhi salam, he made a blood sign at every Israelite. So the angel, the second day when they come to kill the boys, the first boy, they need to differ between the Israelite and the Egyptians. So when they see a blood sign, they pass over. You know, we in Israel they celebrate a feast called Passover, right? So the angel will pass over. So this sign represents the blood sign when it protected the doors of Israel. So it says, Shmor Diltot Israel, protect the doors of Israel. At every Israeli house you will see this stick called mezuzah. Now, of course, just please, okay, just hurry up so you can give the chance to the other group to go out. Take the right lane, my group right, so you give the other group the right. So what you are going to see here, once you are here, you are going to see some Islamic tools here. And also you see a monument, a museum for the Holocaust. Talking about the tragedy that Hitler killed the 6 million Jews. So there's a museum called the Holocaust, or the Shoah. And here you see some Islamic tools. Why there are some Islamic tools here? What we conclude?
Because that was the masjid before is
That it belongs
ये पहले मस्जिद थी ना
belongs to
मुसलमान
before.
मुस्लिम
Yeah, it belongs
1967 के बाद कब्जा किया ना
that it belongs to
King David's stone. David's cave.
या सर पे
So we are entering to the tomb of David. Right is for men, the second right for ladies.
अच्छा अंदर वीडियो नहीं बना सकते वो अंदर नहीं बनाने देंगे यहाँ बना लें अंदर नहीं है ऐसे नीचे रख के लेते हैं चाहे वो कोने में है अच्छा चले मैं आगे चलता हूँ आओ आओ यार अंदर नहीं बना सकते मना करते हैं
Lovely day. Welcome. Where are you coming from?
London.
Have a nice trip. All the best.
Thank you.
आज बना सकते हैं आज वो हफ्ता नहीं
मैं तो बना रहा हूँ वैसे भी
हाँ वो हफ्ते को नहीं बना सकते सॉरी